work every day till we meet ends. I fi turn it up on the weekends. Boss a toast to your real friend. Tell me what you're drinking, car. Good time, good time,
Beautiful world. Hi. Divine, say hi. Well, we're on the road now, heading to a number of places. Yeah. So, I don't know much to say yet. So, good. Oh my gosh, this traffic.
You lead, we night.
Oh my gosh.
Recreational center.
Yeah, you wanna go work out?
With you? Yeah, Jimmy, I'm going to my gym name soon.
Go on. Watch your road.
Watch your road. Yeah, not there next.
Yes, it's legit up the road from there. Shut up! I know it.
You know where I go.
Gosh.
Mother miserable. You supposed to know where I go see me come music stuff playing for sure. She wants to come over me.
We're going to have lunch now, guys.
Right now,
Yes. Oh, we're just going to eat something at a bar. So I just got a blended fruit punch, guys. I can't believe that though. Them fingernails dirty. And them are a reputable like place.
Yes.
So
Then
what am I saying?
Then we could just roll out of bed, not even no shower, no nothing. I want to serve your food and all these things. Like, hell no. I want something more, man. Leave me, boy.
What is that?
Time to go work.
Okay.
Yeah, my alarm. You do with me now, but I'm not going.
What time now?
3:15.
Why are you last minute, man? No, you
last minute.
No, you like the rush. You like the rush.
Yeah, me no, wait. I will ask me to come in at this now. It's at 3:15.
Yeah, because that's kind of too late last minute. We getting ready for work. Work starts at 4.
But I'm saying though, you have to know which part of work is. The word that's right in my backyard, like literally. You know this. Like you know, it didn't even take my life 10 minutes for each other.
You know you're lucky when they give you there.
I'm not really lucky. Just blessings, look on it as
you're lucky.
Bombay Sapphire and
Alright guys, so I got just some Louisiana fried chicken with rice and peas, and Divine got curry shrimp with Louisiana fried chicken. And
why would they have Jamaican and my fried Louisiana fried chicken? Like, just some fried chicken.
that chicken only wants 4 more, man.
Full now.
No, because the food is awful.
Oh man, your belly full, man. And them food dry. You know what? Mother shrimp and the shrimp not even wet. And I want to live in a where I go, sit carry
What? That's oh. We're on our way to the movies. So, what was the concussion ticket to buy?
Nah, it's not.
Concussion ticket to buy?
Nah, it's not.
Concussion ticket to buy?
Yeah, we're jumping out. Tina Bird, job up yet.
A concussion we're gonna watch.
Yes.
So we're gonna watch concussion owned by Petite-Sue. They're not Carib tonight, so suit up. You just look say, want to say something? Okay. So reach, guys. When I fix him shoes, my time shoes. But like after 9 now I go to 10. We gonna be late for the movie though.
Yeah.
Them they usually start when we go Carib, them start the movie like half hour late. If I show one bag of commercials, so
Well, they were not a problem there.
not even that serious. I hope this movie is not boring, yo. Like it seems interesting. Everybody's like, yo, concussion this, concussion that.
So the movie start already, you know.
Yeah, go on like family make movie. Like I couldn't watch Star Wars. Are you a Star Wars fan?
No.
I couldn't. Like I'm not a Star Wars fan.
Star Wars. Could I never get to that? Still like when we can't get to that NFL.
Yo, you wanna start a fight? You wanna start a war? We leaving now. Just finished watching a movie. Okay, so it's very interesting. The knowledge that they're bringing forth is very good, but I think they should have done it like within a like documentary type of form rather than a movie. Cause right now sleeper kill me. Like at one point we were like, the man was like okay, he was like, yo, you want he was like, you wanna leave? I was like, no, because I don't like start like watching movies and then just leaving at the middle and like say it done, especially if it's not that stupid, because it wasn't a stupid movie. Like it was very good, but it's not the type of movie that I would watch it right off the back. It's they make me watch it, because I was saying, yo, just watch Point Break. I really don't know what it's about, but me did see the preview of Concussion and it never grabbed me. I don't know. Will Smith tends to act in very sad movies, so yeah, that's that. I go home. I'm tired.
Over here, so she in the kitchen cooking. She wanna walk on.
I tell you,
Whatever, man.
curry chicken right here, right over here, and then we got rice. We got rice over here.
Me like skin, I mean, I can't. No, you just say Chroma's girl no good. So yeah, oh yeah, friend up bread and now. Are you say so?
And I miss
Yeah,
so, people say so.
Mommy, you know yourself like girl miss you. What do you have to say?
What?
They miss you.
Really?
Mommy, I did see a video. Money, you have anything to say?
No, I just see this with Swan and Divine. But bean what? Bean what?
Bean booze.
And the one Divine him up with the foolishness, every foolishness.
And just washed her hair and now she's conditioning and like, what are you doing?
I'm just doing a quick wash and go.
Yeah.
Yeah, but yeah, girl, look how far it reach.
Oh yeah, she's going to do Taninia's face and then alright, she'll go to Taninia's face and then after that she'll, but then oh, you want to talk?
Yeah. She look one more time now. See me? Yes, Miss Marva, yeah, but Jesus, Lord Jesus. She have more than one bag, but she have a little bag with said so. Because she eat have a said yes. I didn't hear me going back. See? Shower. Yes. You know, she don't have that video, I don't even know. People on the sky are going up here, so. What is? What is this? And I'm eating, and I'm my business. No. I'm my business.
Go find the place.
None of my business, though. It's not me, so sorry, star. Bright.
Gun panty.
Gun panty. Ninja man, I live down.
That's why I have to look so Asian. No, sorry. I'm not ready for the video. Yes, I'm just done T-face boy the amount of time I do her first. I don't know her now though. I don't know her. Shop necessitates all the time. Yeah. Always hot. Nothing new. What's up? Hi guys!
We are friend people them for. See enough, we are friend people them so. Walk on.
Alright, so from the title y'all know what I'm gonna